The 2016 Audi Q5. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Audi prioritized comfort and style by including an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, a headlight cleaning system, rain-sensing wipers, and power front seats. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Audi also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Audi's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 300+ point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.